Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? You scared of the camera? Hi. What are you doing? Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Come here. Come here, let me pet you. Oh, I don't hurt you. You okay? You okay? You freaking out? You don't like the camera? You don't like the camera? Oh. What are you doing, Mr. Baby? What are you doing? What are you doing? Mr. Baby, where are you going? Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. Where's my pretty bird? I'm gonna go see Petey. You better come here. Come here. Can I pet you? Hi, Mr. Baby. Oh. Come here. Where's my pretty bird? Oh, look at you. Look at you, you pretty bird. Okay, I'm gonna see Petey. Well, hi. Hi. Petey bird. Yeah, Petey bird. Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Petey bird. Petey bird. You're such a pretty bird. You're such a pretty bird. Oh, look at you. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? What? What are you doing? Petey bird. Pretty bird. Say pretty bird. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys in some of my videos you hear squawking or squeaking or whatever. And it's these guys. This is Petey. Say hi, Petey. Petey bird. Did you do your trick? Did you do your trick? Can you do it again? Can you go around? Can you go around? No? Can you go around the tree? Petey bird. Petey bird. And this is Mr. Baby. Hello. Hello. You're camera shy. You're camera shy. Yeah. Normally you're an attention hog. Yes. Camera shy. What a pretty bird. Hey. Lovely. You're so noisy. Quiet. Quiet. Okay.